Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Thanks for clicking to watch, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Basically, at the moment, what I'm working on is I'm still trying to paint this car. Um, let me just quickly show you. So far, this is what I've done. I've prepped the car and all that. But the problem is, one, my garage is not actually set up as a spray booth, so I can't literally paint because one is too cold. Two, I've got no extraction. So what I've done is actually get myself a nice little space heater. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, this thing gets nice and hot and toasty. But when I first got it, it had one problem. It will fire up and just die off. And fortunately for me, I got it for some like 20 quid or something, because this person was literally throwing it away. So all I just did to it, if you ever have the same problem with the space heater, is there's a photo cell in there. Just pull it out, wipe it off, and the thing works. Because I think what the photo cell is supposed to do is detect whether there's a flame or not, and if there's no flame coming on, it will just shut the blower down. Anyway, that's that. So that's the heating sorted. So what I'm trying to do now is convert one of these suckers here. This is a let me see if you can see. This is an oven hood or the extractor fan. I'm not quite sure whether anybody's ever done this before or whatever, but I've tried looking online and all that. I couldn't find anything at all. So I mean, obviously when you're trying to paint without some form of extraction, you'll have paint going all over everywhere, then you'll get a lot of overspray and all that kind of stuff. But at the same time as well, it just gets a bit gnarly. So what I'm hoping to do is actually convert this guy here and convert him into an extractor fan for now. You know what I mean? Because this is a quick project and I just need something to use. So I've kind of I've kind of started stripping it down, because it's full of grease and all that kind of stuff, and put an extension as well in terms of the cable, something long enough to actually be able to sort of connect it to my power. Because the thing that I was thinking of, obviously I'm working with flammable materials and all that, but I'm not quite sure 100% or not whether this thing is safe or whatever. But the thing is, the way that I was thinking is that this thing extracts air from, or is it burning air, gases or whatever from a flipping stove. So if I can deal with that, then it must be able to deal with thinners and all that kind of stuff. But fingers crossed, let's hope I can pull it off. So for now, let me just quickly do all this, put it all together, then I'll show you guys another video when I've got it up and working. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll keep you posted on the next step of this installation, because I mean, I'm not quite sure how it's going to play out, but hopefully it does what I needed to do. All I just need to do is be able to suck out the paint, and hopefully if I can do that, sweet. So just hang on for an update, and I'll be sending one as soon as possible. Yeah, all right.